Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Jessica. If this is your first time, on my channel I teach you how to make braids on your hair, on wigs and so on, and hair, not just braids, even wigs too. I teach you, my channel is just everything about hair. So on my first and second video, I taught you how to install your closure on your nets. That's the first step you have to do. So on this video, we're going to start the braids. And I have this net. Normally you have to use those nets that have big holes. But because this is what I have at this moment. So because I have this net that have this tiny holes, this is more like for waves, not necessarily for braids, but I'm going to use it anyway. So because I have this net that is it has the tiny holes, so what I did was put a thread on a chair like this. So I'm going to make the braids here. After making the braids here, I'll transfer the braids and sew them on these lines that I have actually done. Okay guys, so I have my extension ready. So I have to zoom this very well so you can see what I'm doing. I just take this part like this and make it into two like this. You can see what it is into two. It's on my finger, and I just put it like this on the thread like this, and I just flip it like this. Tack. See what I've done right now, and it's just touching the floor. Let me show you. Just touching the floor. It's very long. It's extremely long, this hair, so that's why I have to put something down. So let's start making the hair right now. You can see you have to shade it into three. Oh mamma mia, this hair is extremely long, and we're going to take a lot of time. Like a lot of time to do this. So if you want to make this on your hair, just know you need a lot of time. So because this is full length. So let's go. You can see what I have been doing so far. Oh my god, it's a long job. This is what I've been doing so far. I just made it halfway like this. This is what it looks like right now. You can see? I made it halfway. Now I'm going to transfer it from here to the next. What I've done so far. This is what I've done. I love this color, and I love the length as well. It looks gorgeous, it looks beautiful. So I think I have to fill this part right now. So I have to like fix this part. So I think this is the last job before making the closure. So I have to like put this part so you can cover the net, and then I'll start making the closure. Okay, so this is where I am so far. I've actually started with the front, as you can see. You can see I am here right now. I've started making the, excuse me, I've started making the closure rather. I've started with the closure. So this is where I am so far. Wow, this hair looks beautiful. Let me show you from this side. Look at, wow, it looks nice, eh? Very beautiful. I literally finished this hair, guys. I have finished this hair. Oh my god. Finally. So this is the center part. I left the baby hair here. This is the baby hair. And that's our trim later. So this is what the hair actually looks like. Wow, this looks very nice. Very, very nice. Finished results, everyone. Finished results.